Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're exploring a powerful tool for data organization, the sort formula. With sort, you can quickly arrange your spreadsheet data exactly how you need it, whether it's sorting lists of names, organizing sales data, or anything else. Sort makes it easy. So, whether you're spreadsheet newbie or seasoned pro, join us as we discover the sort formula and show you how to take control of your data organization task in Google Sheets. Let's get started.